Monday, August 18th, eBay train lot, video 3, seller A-Hill. Here's the power function trains we're doing now. Okay, top opens up. Just turned it on. See that green light? Let's get it on that track. Okay. Grab that one. These will not be shipped with batteries in them. I just put the batteries in them to test it. Let's get the next train. Let's check it out. There's your bottom, sides, everything in there. Let's go ahead, turn that on. Go ahead and get that on the tracks. There goes that one front. Let's send it back. Okay. There's the 2 power function trains with the 1 remote. Next is the 2 remotes for the infrared. One horn sounds clear, the other is very faint. Still works, but very faint. As far as the trains go themselves, here's one. I have three trains, 3 battery boxes which are installed. Unfortunately, there's only 2 battery covers. Let's get this on here and test this. Okay. Okay, there's one remote. And there's the second remote. Perfect. Let's go ahead and check it out. This one does have a light. Okay, the next one. Here we go. Open it up. No light in this one. It does have the battery box installed in it. Let's go ahead and get it on the tracks. And here we go. There we go. And then let's check the other remote. There it goes. Now, as far as the third one goes, the motor is brand new. Never has been opened or installed. There's the side for it. 2 extra cords, but on the third one, what we'll do to test it is we're just going to go ahead and steal the engine from the last one. Okay, so let's go ahead. Plug this in. Oops, one of the batteries came out. Okay, so here we go. Here's the third one. Again, this one also does have a light. Put the front on it. There's the bottom, the back, the sides. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's get this one on the tracks. And there it goes. Let's test this remote with it. Stop. Stop it. Perfect. Okay. There are all the trains. So again, for the power trains and the infrared trains, you're getting 3 functional trains. One, again, hasn't been tested because it's brand new, sealed in the bag still. 2 battery covers only. 3 battery boxes for the infrareds that go inside here. They come out like this. 2 red trains. Infrared boxes are separate. 1 remote. Thank you very much.